It was my shoe! Come on, Lori. This is a lot of laundry. I don't think it's worth it. Do you want a ride to the comic book store or not? Fine. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where are you going? Those are just my jeggings. Let me get the rest. Wore this yesterday, wore that Tuesday. Whoops, that definitely needs to be washed. Lori's the only loud kid with a driver's license, which means that in this house, there's no such thing as a free ride. In exchange for transporting me to the planetarium.
We interrupt our broadcast for the test of the emergency alert system in the following localities: Newport News, Williamsburg, and the counties of Isle of Wight, James City, Surrey, and York. All EAS stations serving these localities are requested to broadcast the following test message for the Dominion Virginia Power Company Surrey Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The sirens you just heard were a test of the early warning siren system around the Surrey Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. The early warning siren system is designed to provide an alerting signal to the people who live within 10 miles of the Surrey Nuclear Power Station. In the event of an actual emergency, 4 separate 3-minute siren blasts would be sounded, each 3-minute blast separated by 1 minute, alerting you to tune to your local emergency alert system radio or television station. To repeat, the sirens you just heard were a test of the early warning siren system at Dominion Surrey Nuclear Power Station. There is no emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
What if I teach you to drive? Wow, have your license? Well, no, but I do have a crazy eye scar on. A crazy